Delete the default cube. Click Shift-A, select Icosphere, scale out a bit, then apply Subdivision Surface Modifier Level 2. Add two materials, white and black. In edit mode, select the faces of one pentagon. Then click Shift-G, select face regions. Assign them the black color. Hover to edges. Click Shift-Alt-Select to select edges of a hexagon. Click Shift-G, select face angles. Then reduce the threshold to 0.00001. Click Ctrl-B to bevel the selected edges. Increase segments to 2. Now, we want to select the inner loop. Select the inner loop of one hexagon. Click Shift-G and select face angles. Now, we will scale in. Right-click and select Smooth, and add Subdivision Surface Modifier Level 2 to make it more smoother. Congratulations! Now we have our soccer ball. You can import or append in any project you have. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.